This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making braised pork ribs Chinese style. Let's start by cutting up 3 slices of ginger. I have here 600 grams of pork ribs. This piece is pretty meaty. Trim away any visible fat. Then, cut them up into individual ribs. First, we prepare the pork by blanching it in hot water. In a pot of boiling water, add 3 slices of ginger. Then, put the ribs in the hot water and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, drain it . And wash off any remaining scum. In a pan, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. And 60 grams of sugar. Turn on the heat till medium and wait for the sugar to melt. Then, turn the heat to low and continue to heat the sugar till it turns brown. Watch this very carefully, as the sugar would turn from golden brown to black in a second. If it turns black, you would need to start all over again. When the sugar is golden brown, add in the pork ribs. Remember to pat dry the pork ribs first, otherwise you will get a lot of splattering. Flip the pork ribs over and fry the other side as well. When it's brown on both sides, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, one tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, half a tablespoon of vinegar, smash up 6 cloves of garlic and remove the skin. Add 3 tablespoons of honey. Now, add enough water to almost cover all the ingredients. Bring all this to a boil and simmer it for 30 to 40 minutes. Turn the ribs over halfway through this simmering process and add more water if needed. After 30 to 40 minutes, there should be about a centimeter of gravy at the bottom of the pan. If there's too much water, raise the heat and cook it uncovered till you reduce the sauce. But remember to keep turning the ribs or it will burn. You should end up with a thick, rich and sticky sauce that is on the sweeter side. Taste and adjust for seasoning. To serve, arrange these ribs nicely on a plate . And sprinkle some white sesame seeds over them. The contrast between the white sesame seeds and the dark ribs makes a very nice presentation. This is a Chinese style braised pork ribs.